Hello guys. I'm sorry that I don't concentrate, that always happens. Yes, correct. Okay, anyways guys, yeah, welcome back. Today we will be trying to get a sports car world record with sports car. Anyways, let's get straight into it. So I'm not using max spots. I'll show you at the end of the video. Because I'm definitely not using max spots. And I don't even have max tunes. Yeah, because I don't have a max sports car, you see. And that kind of hurts my feelings. But anyways, let's get straight into it. Oh no, my Super Diesel is about to crash land into the middle of the ocean. But however, just enjoy. So first, what I want to do is I just want to get this bit off, because I always die here. Okay, now time for the outer Hebrides. But you might not get it, but this sports car WR is real hard to do. Because, you know, there's all the things in life that you don't need. And, yeah, there's just basically stuff that you don't need in life. Stuff that you do need in life. So, yeah, I pretty much... Wait, just wait, guys. Sorry guys for the wait. There's some kind of problem with my recordings. I just ran out of space for a second, so I just need to delete it. Yeah, but anyways, we have gone a few more meters. Now we are like 300 away from my sports car record. If you haven't seen my gameplay videos, check them out. They're really good, and I've put lots of effort. Maybe not in the sports car one that I made. Not or the supercar one. What am I saying? Oh my god, that was actually really lucky. Did you see in my sports car gameplay in City that did you see that I literally had a huge problem there? And yes, it was me who was recording. Nope, I don't have anybody else recording for me. Are you? Why do I always fall on this container? Oh, I got a new sports car record. Let's go again. Hopefully I will be able to break it. Okay. My name has changed from RSS Endangered to Samuel Up, if you're thinking, because my name is that. Just that. Anyways, we are already passing some of my monster car not world record. 554 would be silly for a world record. But anyways, still, yeah, it's really hard to make these videos, so please consider viewing this. Oh wait, you are watching it, so just like it. Also, but I haven't been making videos very lately, so please don't. Okay, fine, just subscribe and like. Okay, guys, that's the minimum you can. That's the maximum you can do. Well, viewing my video is the minimum probably, because yeah, you're watching it right now. So anyways, don't even know you can hear me. I'm not sure if the settings even work when I turn it back on, but you can definitely see what happens while that happens. So yeah, let's just keep doing it. I hope you saw my record on yellow snow. The results I actually got were better than 455. After that, the run that I was doing got 13.453. So I actually improved that. You must check that out if you're from England, of course, or if you just happen to be scrolling down the leaderboard to find me at just 300 plus. Nothing really fancy. Nothing really lauded up. Okay. Down, up. This is a bit where I usually fall into the containers and yeah, live out my rest of my days in there. Anyways, now we have reached other containers. I always die near containers. I don't know why. Maybe because there's so many after 2,500. I call it the second life because nothing really is the same afterwards. Sorry guys, there's just something wrong with my thing. Anyways, we are actually getting close again to my record. My pinky is kind of like broken a tiny bit because I had an injury the other day. So yeah, it won't really bend a lot and it won't go straight, which I think is very weird, and I think you'd find it very weird too if your pinky wouldn't bend. But it might be because it's just not been thawed out. I don't know. No, don't fall for it. Don't. My God, this is such a risky situation. Woohoo! But we did it. And we going first to the next fuel. Yeah, I always usually die near this bit because of the canister. I keep forgetting that I don't have any speed. Are you kidding? Well, I went a few meters ahead, but not enough for my liking. So let's try it one last time. Well, as you could see that, I don't have any of the upgrades now. Like, there's literally no upgrades that I have. Okay. I like sports car due to the downforce reaction. Like, it has a really good reaction. Anyways, we are passing the first bit, which is actually a good bit. Hurry up! Okay. Up, up, down, down. Anyways, I'm not sure what's wrong with my sports car that doesn't make the jump shocks, because I actually have really high things for the wings, which is why that's acting real good. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Now, Super Dito, kneel before me. No, don't go forwards. Kneel before me. Yes. Yes, I'm actually ahead of my Super Dito. Because I like being ahead, because on my runs, it looks really cool. Anyways. Now with sports car versus a Super Diesel. Who will win? Probably the Super Diesel. But anyways, we're doing this battle itself. So, let's just think it's going to be sports car, hopefully. Sports car is raging along the track. Oh, that's my tank record. For some reason, I can never get past the container. It's like the bit in Racer Glacier at the end of that cave with, like, when on the edge of someday public event, you dive, you have passed that other cave. It's literally that cave. The tank can't get past the end bit for some reason. The tank always gets stuck, so that's why half the leaderboard is stuck there. Because you haven't gone above for the tank in Ratio Glacier, then you're just doomed. And that would be a waste of 1,700 something kilometers. I mean, meters. That would be legendary if we could get that much. Imagine a world record. Well, when I think about it, Formula I feel like Formula can break every single world record in time trials, but in real life, the time actually goes way faster, so yeah. Okay, I don't know why I'm talking about time trials when this is a different video. Okay, we have reached the containers. I need a backup beep beep, and now let's go. Okay, nothing out of the ordinary. It's just really hard with sports car to get over the jumps. It's just so slow that it can't really go into the canisters. Finally! Oh, now I'm gonna die here, aren't I? Yep, due to bad luck, I shall have died there. Bye!